The ABx Performance Testing channel was created to share science-based, data-backed hand tool safety and performance information. Initially, the channel will be based upon our current research and interest in culinary knife handles and blades. Culinary knives are used more often by more people than any other hand tool in the world. There are plenty of knife reviews repeating popular narratives. However, almost no supporting objective scientific data is to be found. Real science, which is time-consuming, difficult, and expensive, is the approach we will pursue. To save time, we rely on, build upon, and integrate science-backed research shared by others. Initially, this project was intended to satisfy our curiosity, but it produced data with real health implications to billions of knife and hand tool users around the world. This information is relevant to cooks and chefs. However, people with compromised hand strength and dexterity due to arthritis, nerve damage, and other medical conditions will also find this extremely beneficial. Custom-built ABx test equipment is designed to measure real food cutting performance levels. Refining the test equipment design and protocols to minimize levels of standard deviation was very time-consuming, but a process we enjoyed. Our cut test, parameters, and procedures will be shared for independent verification purposes. Knife designs will be categorized to offer insight into similar knives sold by competing brands. To realistically correlate knife performance and risk of injury with knife designs, a basic understanding of human biology is necessary. With the help of AI, relevant biological and medical information has been gathered and will be included for reference. Risk of injury relative to various knife grips and blade design characteristics will be discussed. Knife blade cutting performance is predictable and indicative of its design geometry and surface finish. Knife handle designs are slightly more unique to individual brands, but easily categorized in terms of their performance and attributes. Frequently, popular culinary knife narratives fail to align with scientific test data. This is both interesting and concerning as it affects the end user's ability to select high-performance knives and potentially reduce risk of injury. Test data and relative reference material will be presented on 3 levels. Level 1 will be first principles, how basic laws of physics apply to knife design, and from a biological perspective, risk factors contributing to cell damage and injuries. Level 2, bar charts and graphics are provided for a visual comparison of test data. And Level 3, numerical data, charts for those who prefer the data, detail, and density of this format. Options to improve existing knife designs are easy to define, but not necessarily easy to craft. To validate these concepts, we've designed and built tools to construct more tools to create safer, higher performance knives. A 5-year project which was only possible with the build, test, and fail fast approach. These science-based, data-backed, custom-built knife designs will be available under the DBX knife brand. We have included these in our testing to provide a performance baseline because magical, zero-force, zero-risk knives are not a reality. Simple modifications to a knife can easily improve its performance, extend its useful life, and reduce your risk of injury by more than 80%. For those wishing to enhance the safety and performance of their existing knives, relevant information will be shared. To summarize our insights at this moment, shorter, thinner, compact chef knives with asymmetrical handles are the smart choice. Full disclosure, this research has been performed at our own expense. We're very interested in science-based, data-backed info, especially if it differs substantially from data shared on this channel. If you are interested in the subject matter, please like, subscribe, comment, and share to help us grow the channel. Thank you for watching.